Welcome. If you want to enjoy Instagram's new automatic picture-in-picture feature on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to allow automatic PIP permission in the Instagram app, so you can multitask and keep your favorite videos playing while you browse or work. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main page. At the top of the screen, look for the three dots icon. This is usually in the upper right corner. Click on it to open the Options menu. From the menu that appears, select App Info. This will take you directly into the App Settings window, where you can manage permissions and other important features. Once you're in App Info, look for the section labeled Settings. Click to enter, and you'll see a variety of options related to how Instagram functions on your device. Now, find and click on More Settings and Permissions. This is where you control the app's special features, including picture-in-picture mode. Scroll down until you see Automatic Picture-in-Picture. Next to this option, you'll find a toggle or drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Allow. This setting ensures that Instagram can automatically enter picture-in-picture mode whenever you're watching a video and need to switch to another window or app. That's it. With automatic PIP permission enabled, Instagram videos will keep playing in a small window on your screen, even when you move to other tasks. It's a great way to stay entertained and productive at the same time. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and switch the option back to your preference. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Enjoy your seamless Instagram experience on PC.